Yeah, John and Jacqueline, we're talking Arizona is worst in the nation, possibly worst in the world. So what's tougher than this trickle down effect is really the impact it's going to be having on first responders here in Arizona, specifically the Phoenix Fire Department, because they say these new numbers are posing all kinds of challenges.
New year, new coronavirus records, from case highs to hospitalizations in Arizona.
When you look at Los Angeles, it's scary.
Captain Rob McDade with Phoenix Fire says what's happening in the greater Los Angeles area is a scenario they don't want happening here.
It's almost a blueprint for the rest of us. Is this on the horizon?
This week, Arizona reaching a grim milestone as the CDC puts the state at the top for fastest growing number of new cases in the U.S. But Captain McDade says the back-to-back timing of Christmas and New Year's Eve has yet to become an issue across the valley.
I can tell you here in the city of Phoenix, 100% service delivery. If you call an ambulance, you're going to get an ambulance. And if you need to go to the hospital, we're going to take you to the hospital.
Back in March, Phoenix Fire says they put a large order in for PPEs and other medical supplies just in case there were to be a doomsday scenario. They're going to be fully stocked.
Over the past 24 hours, the fire department has responded to 54 calls for service related to COVID patients.
Especially in the west side of town near Maryville, where you have generational families living in one home.
Half of those people had severe enough symptoms where they were taken to the hospital.
We don't know if we'll ever reach that critical point, but I can tell you right now, we've played out doomsday for our staffing, for our service delivery.
And moving forward, that's still the plan, at least for now.
You have to have your large municipal fire department ready to respond to anything, because guess what happens during COVID? House fires still happen, bad car accidents still happen.
Yeah, and so Captain McDade says it's all hands on deck for them right now, meaning every single fire station in the city is in full service and fully staffed. And these guys can tell you that means no vacation time in the foreseeable future, and they're okay with that. Reporting live in Phoenix, I'm Monica Garcia. Back to you guys.
Monica, is there any talk of increasing restrictions in Arizona then to match the surge?
Yeah, at this point, we're waiting for the governor to speak. He's supposed to be talking next Monday, so we're waiting to hear until then. But no, pretty much whatever we see is happening now, that's where it stands.
All right, Monica Garcia for us. Monica, thank you.